Hi everyone, it's your girl Anne and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve my $1 press-on manicures that I always boast about so much on my Instagram page. So girl, if you want to see how you can get your nails looking from this to this for just $1, keep on watching. Okay, so the first step, we are going to need to prep our nails. So what we are going to need to do is either trim our nails if our nails need to be clipped, buff, and push back our cuticles. So those are the 3 steps that I normally follow before I put on my nails. So let's go ahead and do that. I think I'm just gonna give this one a little bit of a trim. Right. After trimming, it's very, very important that you buff your nails. My nails are looking ratchet right now because I had on nails before and I took them off. But if your nail bed is smooth, listen guys, if your nail bed is smooth, you're gonna have difficulties with having your nail stay on for a long time. You need a rough surface for the glue to adhere to then adhere to the other side of the nail, the underside of the nail rather. So very, very important. I learned this the hard way. If you have on like a top coat and then you apply glue on the nail, it's not gonna last you very long. Like literally it might just fall off during the course of the day because the nail polish would have been a smooth surface. So please, please, please just buff those babies. Doesn't have to be with any hard grit or anything, just buff them, please. So after buffing your nails, you're gonna want to just go and wash these off really quickly just to get rid of the dust so that you can move on to step 2. So after washing our nails, I normally just go through and just clean underneath my nails because guys, no matter how much you wash your hand, there's always gonna be dirt under these nails, bro. In the next step of the prepping, we're gonna use this cuticle pusher, and you can get these at Dollar Tree or get them in basically any manicure set. And we're just gonna wanna push back our cuticles. The reason why we want to do this is because we want the nail to adhere as far back as possible. And we don't want any glue to get on our skin as well. So this is really important. Okay, so after pushing back our cuticles, I'm just gonna go ahead and wash my hand one more time just to get rid of all of the dust and fly away dead skin cells and all that jazz. Washing the nails for a second time, you want to ensure, you guys, that these nail beds are completely dry. No moisture at all should be on the nail. If there's any moisture, any form of water or anything that is on the nail before you put on your glue, girl, you're gonna have a hell of a very disappointing situation when you take off your nails because you're gonna have fungus. So that's what causes fungus. So ensure that the nail bed is completely dry before you go ahead and apply your nail glue. Okay, so for our nail glue, this is the glue that I use. Now I know some persons are gonna be like, oh my god, it's super glue, why are you using it on your nails? Listen, I'm gonna put a screenshot of the packaging right here. It says that you can use it on your nails and it's been working for me for many years now, and that's what I'm sticking to. If you want to play it safe and just use regular nail glue, that's fine as well. But in my experience, your nails tend to fall off quite frequently if you're not using a stronghold glue. So this is what I use, and I remember when I got my nails done back in Jamaica when I had acrylic and the nail tech also used super glue. So I don't know, I'm just sticking to what I know. And I did get this nail glue at the Dollar Tree, and you get 2 of these in a pack for $1. All right, so you have your glue ready. Your next step is that you're gonna want to get your nails. Now the nails of your choice, depending on the type of nails, the brand or whatever, it will come with different amounts, it will come in different sizes, and sometimes it will come with a variation of styles. These ones are from LA Colors, and these are what I'm going to be using today because I want to get a shocking green look. So when you pull your package, you'll notice that, okay, you're going to want to try to find nails that fit your nail bed size. This particular pack will not be suitable for everyone because, as you can see, only a few of these babies come in this pack. I think it's around 12, so if they don't fit you, you screwed, girl. However, if you don't want to get the $1 ones, these work for me because my nail beds are like small. I have tiny fingers. If your nail beds are bigger, you are gonna need a pack something like this, and this is from Kiss, and these are for like $3, $3.50 at Dollar General, Family Dollar, wherever. And these come with 24 nails, so this will give you a wider variety of sizing options. So this is something you can consider as well. But for our $1 manicure, okay, every nail that I've come across so far, at least, usually comes with a number corresponding at the back. So over time, you'll basically know number 2 is suitable for which number finger on your hand. But you can just play around. Of course, we know that this would be too small. So for my thumb, this would probably work. Not probably, this would have to work. So you want to ensure that whatever nail you're matching up completely covers your nail side to side. Sometimes you'll have a little bit of a hang and you can actually file that. So I'm going to have to work with this, and I will file the side of the nail to make it work for me. So what I normally do is just to gently put, like, it's a drop of glue, but then I use the head of the applicator to spread it. And don't be alarmed if it spreads over into your cuticle. You can remove it. So you're gonna slowly slide it down and press. Just press, girl. Just press away. These are press-on nails, baby. I don't have a particular length of time, but I would say, like, 10 seconds is safe. And in case you guys are wondering why this nail looks like this, yeah, I squeeze it up in something and it kind of have like what you call a bloodshot. So don't be alarmed, it's not the nail that's causing this. It's not the fake nails. This one had a little bit of a boo-boo. So I would say that's you right there. So we have our first nail applied. And this is what it's looking like. Sometimes you'll see a little gap there. Don't be alarmed. The glue is there holding on. Yeah, first nail applied. So we're gonna go ahead and basically just do the same thing with all of the other nails. Just match, play around to see what fits which finger, and you glue it on, and then I'm gonna show you my next step. So we have one hand completed, so we can now move on to the other hand. Some people may be wondering, how I do my other hand, seeing as though I'm right-handed. I've never had much of a problem doing anything other than writing with my left hand. so it hasn't been really difficult for me, to be honest. Okay, so again, I make sure the nail is covered with the glue, and I slowly go down and go all the way down into the nail bed, and you press and hold. Press and hold. Okay guys, so these are my nails, all done. Now for some people you could stop here, but I have an extra step that I normally do just to give it some pop of shine. You can go ahead and apply a top coat. Now you can use a regular top coat like this one. This is one I would recommend, which is the Sèche Vite. I don't know how you pronounce it, Sèche Vite. However, girl, this is a good top coat that will give you high gloss and last you for about a week or so before you'll notice it slightly peeling. So this is one option if you want to get it a little bit more glossier. Sometimes what I do realize with some of these cheaper nails is that the color wears if you don't go ahead and put a top coat on, girl. Like 2-3 days later, you'll notice from the tip it will start getting white and like your design will just evaporate. So I am gonna go ahead and I am gonna do a UV top coat, which gives me a higher gloss, and I normally use this top coat or this top coat, and I'll put links to all of these things in the description bar as well. And if you're gonna use a gel top coat, you must girl, you must have one of these babies right here. And this is a, let me just zoom out so you can see, this is a UV light lamp. I got this one from AliExpress, but you can get like some of them on Amazon and eBay and all of that. So you need to cure the nails. These can't just put on, like these ones, you can't just put them on and go. They must get this machine to cure. And this was really cheap. This was like $20. So, and all you do is put it on your nails, put the coat on your nails, and you press the button here for either a 30-second or a 60-second cure. I normally just do 60 seconds, and after that we're all done. So we're gonna go ahead and do that real quick. All right, so my nails are all done. Looky, how cute are these for only a freaking $1? Oh my god. Now what I would do now is just to go ahead and apply some cuticle oil, and I'm using this one, which is the Saliansil Vitamin E nail and cuticle oil. So here we go. This is what my $1 LA Color manicure be looking like when I'm through, and I have a ton load of these press-on nails in my collection, you guys. So anytime you see me on the gram or anywhere at all rocking hyper nails, just know your girl is rocking press-on nails. And you can too for only like $1, $2, $3, or hey, you can even spend $10 and get some poppin' ass luxury press-on nails. So if you like this video, don't be afraid to hit the like button. And come on now, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment below and ask me anything you want. Until next time, bye.